Okay, so right here I have my WRRS railroad crossing bell. I really like it. It's not common to see nowadays because this bell is probably from 70s, maybe 80s. So, morning. Yeah. This is the inside of it. What I believe all original interiors, clacker, magnets, everything. Got your terminals. And this is just a lock that I picked up to put, because the original lock was kind of hard to open. So I just bought the lock. I have the wires coming out. Go through the wire and then into a 12-volt DC power supply, which is connected to a power bar and then an extension cord that goes into the house. Now to activate the bell, turn the power bar on, it goes on. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to demonstrate it, and yeah, let's hope for the best. Here we go. And I am thinking of wiring this up to a real system with flashing lights and everything. So here we go. Yeah, works great. Got the gong. It's made from Western Railroad Supply. And I am thinking of getting a different visor. Like a WRRS visor. Taking out these bolts and putting it on. So it's almost like how it originally was. So yeah, my bell. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.